Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm going to bring you along to make some pretzel snacks that I'm going to take to the baby shower that I'm giving today. And it's going to be real quick and real easy, and you can make these anytime. I'm going to make these again for Thanksgiving and just set around for everybody to kind of munch on, getting ready to eat for the meal, you know, at Christmas time, anytime. So we're going to start off with 1 cup of vegetable oil. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then just 1 packet of the Italian dressing mix. And I did see this recipe floating around somewhere. I can't remember where. We're going to give that a good mix. Now, if you have a big old zip top bag, you can mix them in that. But I have this big old bowl. And just a bag of your favorite pretzels. Any size bag will do. This happens to be the bag I got at Aldi, and it's a 1 pound bag. Now we're going to pour this over them and give them a good old toss. Just make sure you toss them really good and that everything's really good and coated. I actually thought about tossing some peanuts in here too, but since this is going to a baby shower, you know, somebody might be allergic to peanuts, so I try to stay clear of that. Now in my large baking pan, we're just going to toss these on there. Spread them out a little bit. Now my oven is preheated to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to cook these for an hour, but around every 15 minutes we're going to give them a good toss. And then I will bring you back when they're ready. Alright, and my pretzel snacks are done. Remember, if you make this, make it your own. Add some more stuff to it. If you don't like something, leave it out. But make it your own. Like I say, when I make this for the holidays, I might throw in some of the Czech cereal, maybe some little pieces of Melba toast, whatever. So, let me try both. These are very good and just gives it that just extra nice flavor to them. I could sit here and snack on these all day. So, thanks for watching. If you make these, what would you add to them, or would you just leave it like it is? Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.